Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Programming with View. I'm Vignesh, and today we have an interesting topic to dive into, converting temperatures from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Have you ever wondered how to make sense of those Fahrenheit temperatures when you're used to Celsius? Well, you are in the right place because, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to do it. So, let's get started. Step 1. We'll begin by understanding the formula. Celsius and Fahrenheit are two different temperature scales. The formula to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius is Celsius equals Fahrenheit minus 32 multiplied by 5 divided by 9. Step 2. Now, let's break it down into simple steps. Step 3. We declare two variables, Fahrenheit and Celsius. Fahrenheit is the temperature in Fahrenheit that we want to convert, and Celsius will hold our result. Step 4. We'll ask the user to input the temperature in Fahrenheit. This is the temperature we want to convert. Step 5. Here comes the magic. We apply the formula. Celsius equals Fahrenheit minus 32 multiplied by 5 divided by 9. Step 6. We display the result, which is the temperature in Celsius. Step 7. We're done. That's the entire algorithm. Let's walk through an example to make it crystal clear. Suppose the user enters a temperature of 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Using our formula, Celsius equals 180 minus 32 multiplied by 5 divided by 9. Celsius approximately equals 148 multiplied by 5 divided by 9. Celsius equals 82.2 degrees Celsius. And there you have it, 180 degrees Fahrenheit is approximately 82.2 degrees Celsius. It's that simple. I've included a link in the video description to a folder where you can find all the code related to this conversion. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Stay curious and keep coding. See you in the next video.